a swamp in South America. An abundance of water and a warm tropical sun make it a paradise for insects of all kinds. A kind of flycatcher, a cattle tyrant, and another obliging partner, a capybara, a large semi-aquatic rodent. As the capybara moves around, it inevitably disturbs insects of some kind or another, and what better place for an insect eater to spot them than sitting on the back of one? Would the view be any better from there? Perhaps it would be. A few of these partnerships between birds and other kinds of animals have become very intimate indeed. The hide of a hippo may not seem a particularly rich source of insects, but there are little ticks to be had in the various cracks and crannies, and oxpeckers go there to search for them. They have extremely sharp claws, with 2 toes pointing forwards and 2 backwards, so that they can cling at any angle, even on a slippery hippo. Land animals with hair on their hide are likely to be more productive ground. Oxpeckers pay particular attention to their ears. That's the sort of place where you might find a tick, and if there is one, the oxpecker will remove it. And they also eat ear wax. Dandruff is another part of their diet. Their beaks are flattened so that with their head held sideways they can comb through their host's hair. Oxpeckers spend all their lives on or closely beside their animal hosts. They court and mate on their backs, and when they fly off to make a nest, as they must necessarily do, they pluck hair from their hosts' backs with which to line it. But do they do anything in return? It's true that they remove irritating, even damaging insects that their hosts can't dislodge for themselves. But the bird's main diet is blood. Sometimes they get it by swallowing ticks that are bloated with blood, but they also take it directly, pecking at an animal's wounds to keep them open. When their host gets irritated, then they go back to their toiletry duties before once again snatching a sip.